I'm in a tree because it is hailing bullets out here. Look at the hail in my lap, which is very, very cold. Oh shit, Steve's down there. I'm in a bush, see, in a bush. I'm actually really scared. Some plastic noise sounds for the hail hitting my boat. Yeah, my ass, people. Are you fucking out your mind? How could this possibly happen? Woo! Close. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. It's pouring. These kids are nuts. They're leaving. It's hailing quarters out. If I can't keep you hidden from the rain, I might as well use you, right? Incredible. Oh my God. I am literally freezing. Oh my God. I know there's a bridge back there, but I don't think I'm going to make it back. Paddling upriver is way too hard. Oh shit. Camera is soaked. Oh shit. Bye. Wish me luck. Oh fuck. Oh my God, it's getting worse out. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.